Morning, Elton. Ugh.
Yoko, my guy.
Hey, Elton.
What's up, my man?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, awesome.
Congratulations for waking up early again.
Yes, sir.
This
Yeah,
is your first week of straight of waking up early.
yeah, right.
Congratulations, bro.
hmm
Do this in 3 weeks and you'll be all right.
Yeah, it'll be a new habit.
A new habit lock in 3 weeks with a skill.
hmm
Yes, sir.
Oh, gold is dumping hard right now.
Gold?
Yeah, just had a huge dip
Oh,
down.
yeah. Gold is always crazy. Always.
Yeah,
And we don't have even have a red folder today, which is awesome.
That's good.
No, we have a little bit of news, but
A little, nothing too crazy though.
yeah, nothing too crazy.
Gonna hit the word below.
Yeah, it broke above, to be honest,
Oh yeah, you're right.
but I don't think this one is gonna go up
Yeah, it's
because
too much.
in 5 minutes time frame we are like pretty much downtrend. We are
Oh,
probably like going down after this huge pullback.
hmm
I wonder if this is, yeah, we are pretty much downtrend here. So I think this is just a pullback from this movement.
Yeah, it does look pretty bearish, but yeah,
And if we can see a breakout below like this, just break this low right here and coming back here, we might be interested in this one. Otherwise, gold is always crazy.
yeah.
If not A plus in gold, I don't think I'm
hmm
interested, to be honest.
hmm
We still have few watch lists here. We have like the Euro USD, the GBP USD. We have the USD CAD. We have the NCD, and we have the Euro AUD as well.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I like to look at here.
just need one of these um pairs to work out, and we are get the fuck out in here. Are you at home?
hmm
Mm. You should go to the studio and use that big computer in there.
That's right.
Yeah. Chill and play that music in the background. Damn, bro. You you have like probably better office than mine. To be honest.
Yeah, that's a nice setup.
Yeah, plus you got like all the computers
Yeah, no, that's a
set
great
up.
computer.
Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
yeah, no, it's really good. Interesting.
How was your study you go so far?
Yeah, I had a little bit of time yesterday, but I had my last client um, after you left, so I took
Oh,
care of it.
yeah.
Yeah, and then I went home.
I have plans today too. Yeah, I have two clients today.
Did it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yesterday I had three, and the schedule was so funny. It was one first thing, one in the middle of the day, and one at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you like do work as a trader, then probably have consistent three clients like 3 times a week. That will help you to find your funding, and
Hmm.
just focus on your, I mean, of course, I mean, you need a skill first on your massage because you're new. But for me, right, just for me, I just need like three clients. But
Hmm.
that's all you need, to be honest. But
Yeah.
first, like work, keep your work, or maybe like keep your work forever as you need to.
Hmm.
Then focus on your trading, or like after massage, right?
Right.
Just focus on your trading, then save up money just to buy a lot of funded. Just stack it, like
Hmm.
stack, stack, stack.
Definitely.
Then yeah, after you stack a lot of funded, like, and you pass like few of them, you are pretty much all set.
Hmm. Definitely. Totally.
And plus our trading schedule is really fit in our work, because in the
Hmm.
morning, after the morning you can work, which is
Right.
amazing.
Yeah. No, the schedule is really, really nice.
And let's say if you have no work schedule, and you have still a lot of like hours to have fun outside,
Hmm.
because
Yeah.
balance is very important.
Yeah. Very
um
understated.
yeah,
Yeah.
it just this trading thing takes a lot of time to work. it
Hmm.
might um it might take you like 6 months, 1 year. Some people took them 3 years to 7 years, but
Hmm.
hopefully for you, you know, 6 months is enough.
Right.
Because trust me, I, um, I hate losing, but you are probably going to lose in your first months.
Hmm.
Like, I don't care how fast learner you are. It's just like psychology part is not. It's not a thing that you are going to learn in 1 month or 1 week. It's gonna takes a lot of time
Yeah. Yeah. It's
to
like building that
yeah,
muscle.
you're gonna like lose a lot of
Yeah.
gonna lose first like a lot, just to build those reps,
Okay.
and finally you will learn something. It's
Right.
crazy.
Yeah.
We probably gonna buy on GBP USD. um if we see engulfing on USD GBP, it would be nice, like this one.
Hmm.
Yeah, if this one, yeah, the close engulfing. Um, I'm gonna,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm gonna place a limit in there.
Okay.
Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna place a limit on the engulfing, OB engulfing, and let's see if, and I'm gonna risk, only 1% on this one. Yeah, I'm risking 1% on this one.
Hmm. Are you in the trade?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, not yet.
Uh,
I am on the buy limit order on this
mm,
one. Yeah. So let's see if this one's gonna come back. If not, I don't mind. If not, if not gonna come back really. But my third is this one. I don't like the risk reward ratio if I'm going to target this
mhm.
little high right here.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm risking, would be nice if go is this one is gonna go right here. I mean we have support area and this
Hmm.
it would be nice if it goes all the way there. But we'll see. It's even nicer if this thing gonna tap our trade first before going up.
Right.
Hmm. I want to put my SL around this area, but the engulfing is right here is makes sense. Yeah, I'm gonna put it there. The Euro EUD is which is the one who's dumping. Really,
Yeah.
this pair is always dumping every time the breakout. It's always dumping like crazy. Like yeah, like seriously, dude. It's
Yeah.
always this one is always dumping. Like let's say the day before, yeah. See,
Right.
it's always dumping.
That's wild.
Yeah, but I don't like the idea of trading right away after a break, though. It's just like I don't feel safe.
Yeah, you're gonna get caught in that wave down. No.
Yeah, but damn, like it's always dump every time it break out. No, this one is no trade for sure. Yeah, this is the thing I like. I need to go pull back not every time because like if you trade every time that this one is a breakout in the long run, you're gonna get fucked up, bro.
Mm.
I rather like focus in one model right now, to be honest.
Hmm.
So that if you trade right here, you're probably gonna stop loss there.
Uh-huh.
But here again, like look,
Yeah, big, big
it
move. Yeah.
fucking dump again, like crazy. See?
Yep. Wow.
If
Wow.
if
Wow.
if you trade like 1 to 1.5, I think it should be enough 1.5, right? Let's see. Your stop loss supposed to be here. Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Damn.
Wow.
You can actually be profitable
Yeah. Yeah. If you
by
catch that breakout
or
before it
break
moves.
out in this fucking thing. Look at
Yeah.
that. What the
Yeah.
fuck?
That's really interesting, actually.
But not but if
It's
you
not,
have
not, no,
I
right.
mean if you have just good risk, you know, reward ratio, you're
Hmm.
still profitable, because right here, let's say you aim 1.5, and here you lose one R. But but every time you win 1.5 R, right?
Hmm.
And look at that. This is a win. See?
Yeah.
So let's say you lose previous one and here you win 1.5. And this is a lot of 1.5. And here you're probably gonna lose. Here I hope your SL is around this area, so you win. This is also a win. See? It's great. This is a win. That's for sure. That's a lot of win already, right?
Right.
And this is probably a win too. I mean, if your SL is around this area or below, this is also a win too. This motherfucker is you are this is a loss because I don't think you can get I mean 1.5 R in this one.
No.
Nope, that's a loss.
Yeah.
But you get the idea, right?
Hmm.
If you just risk 1.5 and you lose 1 R, you're gonna win in the long run because your winner is bigger than your loser.
Hmm.
Will I take this? No, hell no. There is no way. This is feels like gambling, to be honest.
Yeah.
It feels like gambling. Like
Just
just
tossing,
straight, like
tossing the
just
brick out in the air.
yeah,
Figure.
just like yeah. That feels like a yeah, that feels like a gamble to me.
Hmm.
I rather trade like not every day as long it's it feels
Hmm.
not gambling.
Right.
That's crazy.
Yeah. It was just interesting to see those patterns pop up. But then I guess that's how you can get tricked by yourself. You're like,
Yeah. I
okay.
mean, I'm just saying like your 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 result is gonna be like a wave, like
Hmm.
win, lose,
Yeah.
win, lose, lose. At that, still, since you're trading 1.5 and you are losing one, in the long run, you are still probably gonna be profitable, but not as profitable as you just follow one concept.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like trading with peace of mind is way better than trading multiple times.
But yeah. No, I don't want that.
I'm interested in this gold buy, but because this one is considered engulfing for me. Should we should we get in
Hmm.
here? I don't know. Plus
Gold.
there's no area of interest around this area
Yeah, no,
in
I
gold.
didn't. No, I wasn't really feeling gold after I
Yeah,
saw that.
there's no reason why this one is gonna go up because there's no like point of interest. Maybe in 15. See, even in 15 is not. Yeah, that's bullshit.
Yeah, I don't like this one.
That gold is just making a trap here. Yeah. If we break if we broke this above here, like this, before coming down, I might be interested.
Hmm.
Yeah. But no, it stays in the range. So
Yeah, yeah.
this range right here. So this range and this range is just staying in this range. I want to see like if we are buying, I want to see this breakout, break this low, and
Hmm.
and come back.
Yeah.
But so far, gold is being gold.
Hmm.
I don't really like trading gold, to be honest.
Yeah.
A lot of people like trading gold because it's a low commission. Because like if you place one lot here in gold, that's only like $5 commission.
Uh,
Yeah, because one lot is already a lot in gold.
hmm.
Yeah.
How
If
much
you
is
like,
commission
yeah,
for
it's
like?
just like when you like place this trade, right? Let's say you're buying, right? Because which is this is a concept right now, but it's just like it's it's not enough confluence for me to buy, to be honest.
Hmm.
Let's say let's say you buy like this, right? And you place one, your commission is probably just $5 because you just place one. But if this is like other pairs like Euro USD or USD GPY, you and if you are aiming like 1% in your account, let's say like you're risking 1,000, your your lot size is gonna be like around like 15 or 10 lot size. So that's like $25 um commission already.
Hmm.
Say yeah. But
Hmm.
anyway, let's see how this goes in gold. Then the sun is probably gonna work even though without confluence here. That's crazy.
Well, better to follow the rules though.
But even if this is working today, I don't think if this setup show up tomorrow, I don't think I'm comfortable taking this one, to be honest.
Yeah, yeah, no, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I want something repeatable. We have engulfing as well on USD CAD, but I don't like this one. It reaches here. We have engulfing here,
Hmm.
but I want to see to go inside the orb, the pullback before going down.
Hmm.
Yeah, it just like if you place a sale here, which is right here, right? Where's your SL gonna be? Maybe like after this fair value gap right there,
Hmm.
and you target maybe like 1.5, let's say. Otherwise, I don't like this setup. Uh, let's see how it goes. I have no real position in this one.
Yeah,
We are just following our system, but with low probability setup, which
right, right.
is which is I don't normally like this kind of setup.
Hmm.
But let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
Let's see how powerful is our strategy.
Real life testing. No, this is good.
Yeah, I really like this thing. I have no position yet except this GBP USD, which is it's not gonna tap me in. What the fuck?
Damn.
Um, y- you could actually place a enter here, to be honest, because this engulfing it wasn't that big. You can like or like this, and you are probably yeah almost 1 hour, to be honest. But again, if you win 1 hour and you go break even, you are gonna like you are break even trade. So right now, if we are aiming like 1.5 hour, I rather like leave the trade alone, SL or TP, to be honest. Like no break even or anything, just leave it alone.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, if we are aiming 2 hour, then yeah, after maybe 1.5 hour, go break even.
Hmm.
Yeah. Otherwise, just leave the trade alone. Are
Fair, fair.
you working today, Yogo? No?
No.
It's your off today, right?
Yeah, I'm off.
I wanna train Aries, but I have no time.
Hmm.
I think Audrey already trained Aries twice.
I think I heard Eris was having a LASIK surgery.
Oh yeah, you're right. Damn, it's gonna take a while.
Oh, yeah, look at that. We did not take that gold, and yeah, we would have got swept
Oh,
up.
oh yeah. I think we are now on the trade on GBP USD.
Oh yeah, you're right too. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
With that gold move, yeah, that totally did
yeah.
went down. Too. Yeah.
Awesome. Yep, we are on the trade.
Sweet.
We'll see how it goes. I'm I'm probably just gonna target 1.5 R here. Not something crazy. I don't like the setup that much. It's just like the volume is not enough for me.
Hmm.
The Man, it's so active today. Is there news today? Jesus.
Oh, there's
Oh my God.
something big happened. Oh,
We just got stopped up.
yeah, I saw
Damn, that
that.
was fast.
That was really fast,
Jesus.
and it was just the wick too. That's wild.
Yeah. We got stopped out there. Maybe our SL is way too tight, huh?
Yeah, where was it? What was that level? Oh, at that other.
Yeah.
Mm,
I don't like putting my SL here though because it's just way too
yeah, yeah.
yeah.
If it had liquefied past that point, you would have lost more.
Yeah, here though it's like when you lose fast.
Hmm.
Yeah, I don't mind losing in here. If this one is gonna come back, so fuck it, right? Well, that's unfortunate for first trade.
Hmm.
It's all good. It's all good. I lost 1,000 there, which is nice. Not too bad. I might be interested in this Euro USD to be honest. If this one just liquidate below, I might be interested. Yeah, I might be interested in here. Okay, we are buying Euro USD since we just liquidate the low, the or below.
Hmm.
I think we enter 309. We enter 309 and our SL is gonna be 247. 247, just like this. Okay. We're just gonna target this high right here.
It's moved down already.
Yeah. It's all right. Um, I like the idea that we have area of interest here, then illiquidate the orb below. I like this idea. Then I hope the next candle is gonna be engulfing candle like this. Yeah. If we can see that happen. If not, then I might consider closing early.
Hmm.
I don't really close early because unless this unless this one is gonna close below, right? Like this. I might consider closing early because
Uh-huh.
that is invalid already.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, let's see how it goes. SL. If I got SL here, I mean we are probably done here.
Mhm.
Damn, look at that gold. See?
Yeah, no
Telling
cold.
you.
Yeah.
Telling you, bro. We just avoided one loss there.
Yeah.
And look at this USD Katsu.
Yup.
Again, we avoided one loss there. See?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Told you. Patience is the key, brother.
Yeah.
Just following the plan. There you go. This one is starting going up now.
Mm-hmm.
See? If this one can close above here, that would be nice. Can close above this right here. That would be
Mm-hmm.
nice. I'm
It's
like I'm like
possible.
confident. Yeah. If this one gonna close above. Let's see how it goes. There's no like much setup today, huh? It's crazy. I mean, we have GBP USD earlier, which is good engulfing, but damn, it's just not enough volume to go up, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, so many news.
No bunch.
Jeez.
Well, that was from like 8 minutes ago too.
Nothing crazy news today though. Until like 12:30, which
Mm.
is we are probably done. Yeah, we're done trading. We have news today, but it's not big, but it's affecting the Euro USD.
Ah.
Yeah, it's literally just Euro USD.
Oh wow, that's so funny.
Yeah, like every Euro pairs, which is right now we are in the Euro pairs, which is okay because it's not red folder.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't think I don't think if you can say this, right? Oh yeah, you
I
can.
can. I can.
There you go. Yeah, it's just nothing crazy here really for the news. We have Euro. We have only orange, which is I'm not really worried about it.
Mm-hmm.
My only concern is this red
Uh,
folder here.
yeah.
But since we are in the Euro trade and this news is literally just affecting Euro, it's
Uh-huh.
crazy.
Wow.
Which is okay. I mean, it's just enough to give us momentum, yeah.
Yeah, no, no, that's so true.
Yeah. So it's look like it closed up. Ah, damn it! It's not. It's
Oh,
not
the whip, yeah,
almost.
yeah.
Jesus. I mean, we are still engulfed in the scandal because we are above the body, See?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we are above the body, so this is engulfing still, which is nice. I like it. I like it, like the way I predict it to close.
Mm-hmm.
I like it because now this is still engulfing. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. So right now, who is in control, which is buyer, right?
Mm-hmm.
Buyer, and I said, It's in control. I like it.
Yeah, no, this is looking good.
Yeah. Damn, if we have like a little bit wider on SL on the GPP USD, we are probably still on the trade, and now we are
Mm.
like profiting.
Wow. Yeah,
Son
yeah.
of son of a bitch. Yeah, if we are just like our SL is around this area, yeah, around this even here or below,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
are probably still in the um. It's just like if our SL is in this area, we are kind of far though.
yeah.
Will I put my SL here again next
I
time?
don't think you would, like, but
Pro- Probably. Yeah, I will put my SLs here again because we are already below in the orb mid, you know?
hmm
But the problem here though in our trade, that's why there's not enough fuel to go up, is there's no liquidation. See, there's no liquidation.
uh-huh.
Yeah. If this happened earlier, then we have engulfing next. Then this is the right setup like
hmm
this. But our setup shows so we gotta take it.
That's right.
Whether we are right or wrong, maybe our SL is wrong, to be honest. Maybe it's
Mm.
just a little bit close. 1.5. Yeah, it's still a very good setup, actually. Yeah, I think my SL is wrong there.
hmm
Because normally I would just put my SL here. No, normally.
Right. Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
you did.
Yeah. That's what I always did. And
Right.
I'm probably gonna do the same thing next time.
Yeah.
But
Never
you know,
know.
because this is not happening every day. You
No.
know. But since we are like aiming 1.1 hour, even this one is gonna lose. It's probably makes sense if you put it right here next time. Yeah, because we're just aiming 1.5 hour. It's okay. That's 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 a good lesson, right?
hmm
A good lesson. There you go. Um, Euro USD is coming back, but it's okay. Hi, how are you? How are you, baby? You wanna play iPad? Yeah. Here, it's okay. Just make sure you are not playing when Mama wakes up, okay? Now it's like all our area of interest is very close. Oh damn, I don't like that. But you used to know. This big ass candle. Yeah, the Euro pairs is gonna be a little bit active today because
The
of
news.
the news, yeah. But not too much crazy. Yeah.
hmm
Now it's liquidate the low again, which is okay. As long this one is not gonna break the low, I don't mind.
hmm
Yeah. Is there fundamentals in M3? Yeah, there's a small OB here with M3. which is already top end, which is our SL is really nice too, just
Mhm.
below OB.
Yeah.
Yay, let's go.
Yeah.
If I lose this trade, I am happy losing this trade.
It's a good setup to lose.
Yeah, it was good setup. I am happy losing this trade. Knowing that our SL is in the right place, that is the most good feeling to lose, you know?
Yeah.
All right. So we are damn, the market is hella slow today. What the fuck? I actually like this USD GPY. I know this GPB I mean USD GPY is not breaking. There's no breakout, right? But I like this I like this pattern so much because right now it's slowly going up, right?
Hmm.
With because this one is bearish flag pat bearish pattern.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this is a bearish pattern, but the only problem here is we don't have breakout below first before coming up. But this one is probably going down, you
Yeah.
know, like this. It just ascend this pattern a lot. It's just not high probability setup because we don't have a breakout here. It would be nice if this one is the breakout first and going up would be very nice. But this is in random strategy, not orb. They will take this one as they will wait for the like engulfing setup here.
Hmm.
Then we place maybe around this area. I mean here 1.5. Yeah, just like that. Let's see. Let's see how this thing go.
Hmm.
Yeah, I am not going to put that anything there. Like not not a good setup for us.
Yeah.
But I seen this pattern a lot of time. Maya, shh, Maya, what you eating, Hugo? You make me hungry, bro. Is your 10K funded still alive, Hugo?
It is.
Use it.
I
Hmm?
what's it called?
Did
Um,
you did you study the trade locker?
I have Alpha Capital.
Yeah, which is they use trade locker.
Oh, this trade locker.
Yeah.
Like I still don't know um like the
Oh,
ins and outs of it.
I see.
Uh-huh.
So we have a breakout below on the EU, which is not looking good. The breakout below.
Hmm.
Yeah. We are probably gonna close the break even in this time because we have this breakout below. We tried, right? That's good because of
Hmm.
this one. Yeah. We're probably gonna go break even or we're gonna exit early because our plan didn't work out. Or we can reduce our SL around this area.
Hmm.
Yeah. So that way we could reduce our risk.
Right.
Yeah. See, that's what I said.
Yep.
That's crazy. Yeah. Price action is kind of messy. Well, at least we cut our loss there. Like we lose half of our position there. Damn, this is second in a row, bro. See, that is
That's
crazy.
a bad move down. Wow.
Damn, we don't have a good setup to be honest. That is crazy. Good thing we reduce our risk there.
Like,
Would have been a slightly big loss because our SL is there. Yeah, I know. I think our SL is around this area. Yeah, and we reduce it to here. We cut it 50%.
yeah, yeah, yeah. You
That's
saved
nice.
yourself a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, yeah, it makes up for shit. Yeah, that's crazy.
See this one like when when that so do this and when like that setup is it's very easy, right?
Uh-huh.
If you have a trade here, the trade workouts, we have a little bit profit, but unfortunately because of the um they didn't hold, you know.
Hmm.
It was good analysis though. So now we are focusing on on the buy, I mean on the sell, which is there's no point of interest here to be honest. And same thing for the GBP USD, right? If we if we like if our SL is wide like here earlier ago, we still lose, you know.
Hmm.
If our SL here, we still lose. So
Yeah.
I would rather lose early than waiting a little bit, but it's still a loss.
Oh yeah, of course.
So so that means like if you win early too, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
But so far it's not really good. Jesus, the market is fucking slow today. Wow, this is a very good. Oh, this is not the one. The NCD USD. This one is a very good doji. So this one.
Hmm.
Wow, that's like a really good doji. But I hope this doji tap in this point of interest. I mean area of interest. But it wasn't though. But it
Yeah.
was a really good doji.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Really good doji. You could just place a trade there and like this below SL below of our area of interest. 1.5 maybe. Yeah, but it's not, the doji is not on our point of interest.
Right.
Is this 50% now? Range? Yeah, it is 50%. Yeah, I just don't like the idea that it didn't tap with the area of interest yet.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
USD CAD is approaching in our area of interest though.
it is.
Yeah, USD CAD. If we have, we can make one more trade today since we cut our losses in the second trade.
Hmm.
One more trade and we are fucking done. If we lose, we lose. Come back tomorrow.
Hmm. Hmm.
Oh boy, trading is a very brutal world.
It tapped USD CAD.
Yeah, we just need extra confirmation on this one.
Just
We
need
need
to
to,
go down to.
yeah. Now our last step is to wait for the engulfing.
Yep, yep.
That's our last step. See the the USD GPY. See if we trade here, it's gotta be a loss.
Yep, there goes.
We 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 just save our asses there
Yeah,
because we follow the plan. Yeah,
yeah. Lots of good data today.
like we save a lot of losses today, but our trade at the same time is it's not working.
Um,
Would be nice if our trade also works, right?
mhm.
But no, damn it. It is what it is.
Yeah.
The most important is you stay calm. Right now my emotion is neutral, which is
Hmm.
good
That is good.
because yeah, because we lose twice already. So
Hmm.
and having a neutral is the most important thing as a trader.
Yes.
And we didn't revenge trade, so we placed a trade in different pairs. We didn't revenge trade, which is amazing.
Yeah.
Yes, because most people they actually revenge trade after they lose.
Yeah.
Especially we are in scalping, you are very prone on revenge trade, very prone.
Definitely.
Like because since we are in the lower time frame, you will like most of the time why trader lose because they revenge trade.
Hmm.
Yeah, they just can't stop it, and that's my problem before too.
Hmm.
Yeah, actually, even sometimes I still have that trigger,
Right.
because we are in the lower time frame, which is very there's a lot of temptation. There's a lot of setup that you see, but in higher time frame, it doesn't make any sense.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why you need to follow your plan.
Oh,
Forget fucking everything. Follow your plan.
oh, oh. Oh, oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. You know, like earlier, I am actually tempting to take this trade down right here. I am actually like tempting to trade this trade, this one,
Uh-huh.
but I didn't took it because of this body candle close above right here. I didn't took it. So I was like, nope, not interested. But it would have been a very good trade, right? Because my
Yeah.
setup this earlier, I just need to wait engulfing candle, which is happen. Then I'm gonna place a limit order here, SL, right? SL above this week, yeah. Then I'm gonna target below, like the or below. This is my setup earlier
Mm,
until it closed above it missing up. So I was like, nope, not interested.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, and shit, it happened, right?
Yeah.
That means my analysis on this one earlier is correct. Also,
Right.
our analysis on the losses that we just avoided, it's also correct.
Mm-hmm.
But our trade is incorrect. did
Okay.
did it work in our favor?
Uh, nah.
USD card, let's go. Just give me engulfing for extra confirmation. Then we have business.
Business will be booming in a second.
NCD is also in the area of interest. So we have USD card and we have NCD, the potential trade.
Mm-hmm.
To be honest, this is the only pairs right now that is makes sense. To be honest,
Which is USD CAD, NZD.
yeah. I mean, we have AUD USD as well, but right
Well,
here,
about to hit. Yeah.
yeah, we have
Oh, there
which
it goes.
is it's up in right now.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, so we have three potential trade here.
Totally.
Yeah, so if one of this trade can give us so in this case we should actually close this. We should actually in this case we can customize this into three pairs now. What kind of
Mm.
maybe this one, maybe this layout. Yeah, maybe this
Yeah.
layout.
Yeah. I like that.
So we have what is it again? USD CAD.
Yeah.
We have USD CAD, and we have NCD USD. We have AUD USD, right? I think this was AUD USD. Yeah, it was AUD USD. Okay, so we have here with of interest, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is our point of interest,
And I see.
which is we have a reaction now, and we have another one is here point
Right.
of interest in our OB. Let's include this first.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
let's include that. And we have the last one is the USD card. There you go. There you go. This is our only focus now out of 8, which is nice, right?
Yeah. No, it's a lot better now.
Yeah, a lot better now. There you go.
Okay. So just need the engulfing on USD CAD.
Yeah. I mean, 3 of this, to be honest.
Yeah.
I like this candle close. It's almost neutral, but buyer is still winning on this one. Yeah,
Mm.
buyer is still winning this one for sure. Let me see. Yeah, buyer is still winning this one. It closed
Mm-hmm.
above 50%.
Yeah.
Even the seller is winning this one. I am still gonna wait for that engulfing.
Mm-hmm.
Follow the system.
Yeah,
Win or lose, follow the system.
I like it.
So this is how you become a pro trader, you go. If you
Hmm.
can follow your system after losing 10 times in a row, then you have a very good you have a bright future.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you can
Yeah.
like just imagine, right? You lose 10 times in a row, yeah?
Hmm.
10 times. Are you still going to follow your rules or your trading plan after
Absolutely.
that 10? Because most people don't, because most people now in this scenario, they probably gonna question their strategy.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, is this
Anyone would.
yeah, I mean, yeah, anyone, but if you still follow your strategy after that ridiculous losing streak, then you this strategy is gonna be your strategy forever.
Hmm.
And that's usually how legend born, when they like um know how to follow after the losing streak. Damn, that's
Yeah.
crazy. Like 10 times. That's
Hmm.
and that's that lose is also account blown.
Right.
Your funded is gonna be loose as well. Not just
Hmm.
not only you lose your losing streak, your funded is also gone.
Right.
Now after that, will you like continue using your edge, your strategy? I hope so.
Right.
Yeah. When you continue, I promise you, bro, you will never break a fucking single rules again in your life.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, this is
It it
crazy.
it it happens. It like 10 losing in a row. It happened
Uh-huh.
in yeah, in professional basis. It happened.
Yeah. No, it's very, very possible for sure.
Yeah. Imagine if you can hold it, right? Damn, that's
Hmm.
crazy.
Right.
Um, by the way, NCD and AUD is very identical, to be honest. Their movement is very identical to me.
They are. Yeah.
Yeah. Like so identical. It just this one has a week and this one has no week.
Hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
It's very identical, except
Mm.
except for the weeks. So they're not. So some people actually telling that every USD pairs is identical. No, it's not. It's not.
Hmm.
Just imagine like if they're like 90% identical, right? Which is probably they are. Yeah.
Hmm.
And the other one is showing you a good setup, a clean setup, and this one is not, then I will probably go with a clean setup, right?
Yeah, of course.
So in Euro USD and GBP USD is also identical, but not very identical.
Mm.
Probably like around 80% Euro and GBP USD.
Hmm.
Oh, nice. They're about to give us a good engulfing here. I'm probably gonna more interested in USD CAD.
Yeah, I'm looking at that too.
Nice.
Oh,
Okay, let's stick this trade. USD CAD. Um, let's see. Let's put our SL just above the orb low. Okay, we are in the trade. You go.
all right.
Nice, nice, nice. See,
Could you
we
could you put it? Can you put it on the screen so I could see
Oh
too?
yeah, yeah. So this one we are forgetting this one, this two. So we're
Okay,
just we're just gonna focus on this one now.
awesome. So you entered like right
Yeah.
at that
Uh
area.
we are on the trade. Let's see, let's put it in 646.
Okay.
646 and our SL is 700. 700 right here. Oh damn, our SL is very tight. But it's okay. It's okay. We are still below or below. I might be put it a little bit space right here just in case.
Hmm,
Liquidate again. Yeah.
right.
Let's change that. 0 0.9. Okay. Just for the safer one. Safest. Six. What is it? 709. 709. There you go. 709. And our TP is gonna be the orb low.
Yeah.
The NCD and AUD doesn't have engulfing. Damn, it would be nice if we enter around this area. But this is, I mean, right here, just right after the engulfing. I mean, we are kind of late there because I'm just like, I am preparing my wrist. I'm
Yeah.
using I'm using MP, MT5. I'm using MT5. The
MT5.
Yeah, the trade locker is way more easier to be honest. I
Mm.
actually prefer trade locker because you can customize your risk. Here you need to like to play around first, like the MT5, like to set a limit order just to find out your your risk.
Uh-huh.
Then after that, after you find out your risk, you actually exit it, market execute instead of um limit order. It's insane. It's
Uh,
kind of tricky. It's definitely not for beginner in terms of calculating risk.
yeah.
Definitely, yeah. Because
Mm-hmm.
in trade locker, you can actually customize by moving your arrow. You can like customize. Let's say my risking is 1,000, and you lock that 1,000 risk. Whether you move it like this up and down, the risk is still 1,000.
Mm.
Yeah, you cannot do that in MT5, unfortunately.
Uh,
So in MT5, right? You need to pretend like to open a limit order and play around first. Like this is your SL. Then you add and you subtract the lot size until you got the risk that you are looking for.
I
Then
see.
after then let's say okay, my risk for this one is uh 1K, and it's saying me the lot size is 10K. Now I need to cancel that and I need to mark it execute, and I need to put that 10 lot.
Okay, okay.
Then it's probably in the the ugly part is when you put the 10 lot and you go back again because the market is moving, right? It's not exactly 1,000 anymore. It could be like sometimes 1,050, 1,000 or 950. It's
Oh,
so annoying. It's definitely not for beginner.
uh-huh.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
it's crazy. So like you are using trade locker for beginner is really really nice.
Perfect.
Yeah. And trade locker is also new platform.
Uh-huh. Yeah, sweet, sweet.
Then the volume is low and we're supposed to be done trading. So we keep it in probably 11:30.
Hmm.
And if there's no TP 11:30, which is probably not because the volume is low, we're gonna leave this trade set and forget.
Hmm.
We're gonna set and forget in this trade
Yeah, yeah,
TP or SL.
yeah. That makes
Then
sense.
then we're gonna do our thing
Hmm.
because this is the purpose of trading, to have a
Right.
schedule. You know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And I see the logic. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. I don't like the idea of sitting your ass for a few hours, because you're probably gonna do over trading,
Yeah,
and over trading kills a lot of account.
most definitely.
I wonder what else worked today. Gold. Oh damn, gold is bullshit. As always.
As always.
Under in every pair. Let's check every pair today. And like literally every pair, there's no good setup. Like literally every fucking forex pairs. I am now checking all, like literally all the pairs.
Uh-huh.
No good setup.
That's
None
wild.
none of them work based on our model.
Uh-huh.
A lot of them work on orb traditional though, which is I'm not comfortable using that at this
Hmm.
moment. The Aubrey, which is the safest one, none of them work, to be honest. Even the liquidity is not, it's not even that clean. The orb liquidity.
I wonder what's
I
happening.
mean, there is some, the Euro GPP, but damn, I've I would probably take orb ORB liquidity than ORB traditional, to be
Hmm.
honest.
Yeah.
I don't even know I created that model. The fuck? Then I'm not gonna use it. Into this shit itself. Wow, it's amazing. Wow, the market is fucking slow today. It's just killing so many accounts. Like none of them, like literally. It's insane. Let me show you.
Yeah.
So this is all the pairs now.
Hmm.
Yeah. None of them works. Nope. 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 I mean here we have a breakout, beautiful breakout, but we have no engulfing. If you just guess here your entry and you're probably lose by now.
Hmm.
Here. This is the only setup that show up, to be honest. And the USD card that has engulfing, but it's not very good engulfing.
Hmm.
Nope. 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 The ORB traditional is the king today. But imagine if you trade everything right with ORB traditional, you're probably gonna lose too. Cause
Uh-huh.
yeah, nope. This is not a Aubrey because our area of interest is around this area. Liquidity work or ORB liquidity. See, none of them work, to be honest. Oh, I have my biggest mistake here too, by the way. My biggest mistake here is I took the setup. It's not been A plus setup because of
Uh-huh.
this. It
Oh.
barely get out, right? It barely get out. The breakout is very weak.
Hmm.
I think this is my one mistake here too, but it's
Uh,
okay. We learn. I
yeah.
it's probably good if we have a breakout like this.
Hmm.
Yeah, but it is a breakout still. Nope. See, all of them, nothing, nada. This is how what the market look like now.
Hmm.
Choppy. I wonder why.
Very.
Um, no, this one, no. No, this one, there's no breakout above first before this movement. Would be nice if we break out here, pull back, and boom. But nope, it's the card, which is this is our trade now.
Hmm.
Use the card, use the GPY, no, and the gold. Oh my god, the gold is just. We have a break of structure here. We have liquidation above, which is the high here. Is this liquidation? Oh yeah, this is liquidation. Yeah. Oh, that makes sense. This movement is makes sense to me because we have liquidation here.
Hmm.
Yeah. And market move very nice if they have liquidity. And now this is the another break of structure. And we have the high here. Oh, shit. We have the high here. And this is the another high. Yeah. Most likely the market will go here again and liquidate. Oh shit, there. And liquidate this. Where is it? Most likely the market is gonna go there, liquidate, and move down.
Uh-huh.
It
Yeah.
just that's the nature of gold.
Uh-huh.
If you don't master gold, don't trade gold. Oh Jesus, you're gonna lose a lot of money.
Yeah. Gold is like its own unique little thing compared to the other
They have
currencies.
their own. Gold has his own world.
Yeah, that's true. Hmm.
Oh my God, it's so slow.
I know, right? The song is just like very
God.
choppy.
Is is it is it 11:30 yet? No, not
No,
yet.
yeah,
So
6 minutes.
let's make a line here. 11:30. Yeah, it's 11:30. Oh, 5 more minutes. It's working though.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
like
just very slow.
we spoke and it was like, okay, I'm done. I'm gonna just pop off now.
Yeah. After this 11:30, the market might be like if this is going down, market might be going this bam bam bam
My chop
bam
now.
bam bam bam. Bam. It will test your patience. Oh
Hmm.
my God.
I mean, at that point, would you leave it just? I mean,
Yeah,
you already said you would leave it open, right? But would there ever
at
be
this
a
point. Yeah, at this
Yeah.
point, since we are just aiming 1.5 here, I'm just gonna leave it open.
Yeah.
TP or is SL. Yeah, I
Uh-huh.
don't mind. But if this one goes here before we finish trading, then I'm going to break even.
Hmm.
Yeah. But for now, that is not like closing yet. I mean, it's not even
Yeah.
like half hour yet, to be honest.
No.
We are like far away.
Yeah.
Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. What is the SL here? I don't know. Price. Style, price. Man, lock this in. Oh, nice. It worked now. Work
Hmm.
nice. What's the TP? TP is 548. 548. And the music dies, and I will see you. Mm, 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 mm. 548. 36548. 36548. There you go. Hmm. Let's go. Damn,
Hmm.
my calmness today and my psychology today is really good. I
Yeah.
I am so proud, bro. I You have no idea. This
Yeah.
If this is like happening every day, oh my God, I would be so proud every day. Yeah,
Oh,
I just
yeah.
sometimes like, especially like right now I have like not enough sleep because I sleep 2 a.m.
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
I still manage to calm trading even though we lose twice already.
Hmm.
I still manage my emotion is very neutral, you know. I love
Yeah.
it, dude. I love it.
Yeah. No, mastering yourself. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I
This is
love
like I actually prefer losing sometimes
that. Hmm.
just just to see my progress,
Yeah. Yeah. That's so true. That's so
because if you win, like you feel excitement, and that's
right.
not good
Right.
either.
Yeah. Yeah.
Excitement.
Yeah. No, they'll boost your ego too much for sure. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, the most dangerous, to be honest, is winning, to be
Yeah.
honest. Like, because it gain you so much confidence, and in your next trade you're probably gonna size up. Yeah,
Yeah.
because oh shit,
Yeah.
I'm on fire right now. Yeah,
No.
let me
No.
double
Right.
rest.
Right.
Let me double rest.
How can
Oh
I
my God.
lose?
Yeah, that is the most dangerous shit. Yeah,
Hmm.
I've been there too.
Hmm.
There's times that I think I got like 4 days of winning streak that
Hmm.
time. Like 4 days in a row winning. Win, 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 win. It's like my head is so big.
Yep. Yep.
My head is so big, and I risk big. Like literally it 3 times bigger than my size.
Right.
And that is gonna mess up your psychology. Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm.
Oh my God. It's just like I said, like all those, and not only I risk big, I also hold the loser, because at this moment I don't wanna, because at this moment, right? I don't want to lose because of my risk. It's too big
Hmm.
at this moment. So like, oh, it's crazy, dude. The winning, trust me, the winning is the most dangerous one.
Hmm.
If you can't handle the winning, you probably can't handle the losing.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, because if you are so attached on the outcome, on the winning, you are
Hmm.
probably gonna freak out on the losing,
Yeah.
because now it's losing. This is like, but if you like practice yourself on losing, oh my God, like today, right?
Mhm.
I would say my emotion is neutral. I
Yeah.
Yeah, because I follow the plan. That's literally that's the I mean the goal of overcoming the over trading, the like the goal of achieving the neutral feeling after the lose or win. Just follow
Mhm.
your plan.
Right.
Follow your plan. If you
Mhm.
follow your plan, you will lose good. To be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah, you will lose good, like really good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because right now, follow your plan, you follow everything. Would you be complaining about it? No. I follow my plan. Because I understand not every trading is you you're supposed to win. No.
Mhm.
Even basketball players lose and they are like a pro. See?
Right.
And we are not even a pro. We are like against the big banks,
Mhm.
against liquidity thing. We're just following your footstep.
Right. Yeah. Picking up them
So that's
breadcrumbs.
why like following your plan is very, very important.
Mhm.
Win or lose. I mean, if you lose like yes, baby. If you lose 10 times in a row, right? And if you follow your plan, um I would recommend don't change it your plan, right?
Mhm.
Maybe there's something wrong with your strategy that you need to fix a little bit, but do
Right.
not change it. Do not
Yeah.
don't like okay, you are trading orb right now, then
And
tomorrow
then
you
you,
will trade support resistance.
right, right. No, no, that doesn't make sense.
There's could be like a little bit fix in your strategy. It could be like your SL, maybe your SL is way too tight, you know?
Yeah.
It
Okay.
could
Yeah.
be
So
like
more
yeah,
like little adjustments of the
yeah,
strategy rather than switch something
because
else.
yeah, because 10 times in a row is not a joke. That's
Yeah.
literally a account bridge. If you
Totally.
like,
Totally.
if you have like a funded challenge, right? Because your max daily loss is your max loss is 10%. And when
Mhm.
you risk 1% every trade, that's literally a account bridge. That's
Mhm.
account loss
Yep. Yep.
right there. I mean, if you risk 0.5%, which is the beauty of risking 0.5%, plus you have a buffer, you can actually survive even though you lose 20 times in a row.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So because let's say you have let's let me show you the math real quick,
Mhm.
right?
Mhm.
Yeah. This is your funded right here. Let me show you the math real quick. So let's say you have a 100K account, right? Yeah, let's say you have a 100K account and your daily max drawdown is 10K, which is this is 10%,
Right.
right? And I'm sorry, this is not daily, this is your max drawdown. And your daily drawdown is 5K, which is 5%, right?
Mhm.
But I assume that like right now, if you lose 3 times, you are going to stop. I hope you will follow that plan too. Because
Mhm.
if you keep going, you're probably gonna reach the 5%.
Right.
Because right now I'm losing like 1.5% because we managed to cut the risk on the second trade, right?
Mhm.
But let's just say your rules is after three trade, you risk even though if you risk only 0.5%, after three trades you lose, you stop. That means you just lose 1.5%, right? So the
Mhm.
beauty about 1.5% is let's say you have 1.5% plus you have 2,500 2.5K buffer, which is this
Mhm.
is 2.5%, right?
Yeah.
The beauty of this, if you only risk 0.5% per trade, let's say. per trade, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now you can lose 20, 25 trades,
Dang.
25 trades. Even if you lose 25 trades in a row, which is very impossible, to be honest,
Mm-hmm.
even if you lose 25 trades in a row, you are still in the game. This is the beauty of risking zero point 0.5. But I don't recommend risking zero point 0.5 in the challenge because this gonna takes a while for you to pass it, the challenge.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I would say if you are in the challenge, risk 1 to 2%. Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
that means if you're aiming, if your setup is always 1.5 R, right? So you are aiming to you're aiming 3% per trade per win. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
right.
Mm-hmm.
If you're risking 1%, right? If you're risking 1%, if you're risking 2%, which is a little bit big, you know, let's say 1.5 R. That might So you're aiming, how much is it? Like 2%. How much is it? Let's do the math. Um, 2 times 1.5. Oh, wait, hold on a minute. No, this is 3%. Sorry, this is 3%. The 1% is just 1.5.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean, let's try. Let's focus on 1.5, right? Let's
Mm-hmm.
with 1% because you are a beginner. So I recommend only risk 1%, right?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, your return is 1.5%. I mean, every trade, right? So if you can win a lot, right? The 1.5 is actually big, to be honest. Trust me. It's actually
Mm-hmm.
big. Because right now, if you win 1.5% every trade, you only need to win 6 or 7 trades to pass the challenge.
Mm-hmm.
7 trades, 7 setup. You only need to win 7 setup. Now, if you have 75% win rate, then you need 10 trades and you need to win that 7 trade. Is that
Mm-hmm.
hard to do?
Nah.
Not really. Let's say like every day, you can actually find a 2 setup every day in our model.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. If you only focus 1 setup a day, then okay. 7 days, I mean 1 week, we have 5 trades. And let's say you have 10 trades in 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks, you are probably going to pass it if you just focus on the challenge. I mean on the rules, on your age.
Mm-hmm.
We did it before, less than 2 weeks.
That's right.
Yeah. So it just like in following rules is the hardest one in trading.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to this one my expectation and this one, my analysis is probably this market is gonna retrace a little bit, like
Before it bounces back down
before
potentially.
going down like
Yeah.
this. Because right now, if this happen, this create a change of a character in this area. Yeah, this is what I want to see.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this time I'm just gonna leave it open.
For
I have
sure.
my stop loss anyway, so if I lose, I lose. But
Hmm.
I still have my account, right?
For
So
sure.
good shit today, Hugo.
Yeah.
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 This
No.
is also actually coming up, you know? See?
Oh yeah.
This is also coming up. If you like place your, this is your engulfing, right? If you place 50% of this, which is, I do this sometimes too. Like when the setup is not that good, I'm only interested placing trade, taking this trade if the market is gonna go 50% of this candle right here, of this candle. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But this is very because the engulfing is not, it's not that good. So if you set up like this 1.5, yeah, you are following TP right now.
Yeah.
Open it. Open it, Maya. Yeah, so that's it for today, Yogo.
Okay.
Yeah.
For
Did you learn
sure.
something today?
I did. Yeah.
Awesome. The most important is learning the emotion part, psychology part.
Hmm. Yeah. Watching you, it's very interesting to see how all your past experience has led to your calm and
Yeah.
collected self. Yes.
I am more interested being calm than winning. Awesome, Yoga. Awesome. All
Yes.
right.
I'm pleased.
Let's end this one with
Okay.
so we can enjoy our day.
Sounds good.
Awesome. All right,
All right.
Yoga.
Catch you later. Appreciate you.